Too much ice, too much ice. Get that back. That's too much ice. Do not play with me. Do not play with me. That's too much ice.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, that's Coco, and I am back with another video. As y'all can tell by the title, we're just doing what we gotta do this week. I got my hair done. I'm very, very tender-headed, which is why I couldn't really say much. But we in the gym right now. It's approximately 10:38 at night. So I'm finna get my workout in, because somebody asked was I pregnant, and that hasn't sit well with me. I gotta get my skinny BBL back. And plus, I also just need a peace of mind. Like, that's mainly why I go to the gym, for a peace of mind. So come with me to just do what I gotta do this week. Hair, gym, lashes, we just on. Tune in. You keep saying last set. I mean, one more set after this. 3 more, 2 more. We've been doing 3 more after 3.
I said 3 more.
But you the trainer, so I'm gonna let you say whatever you say go.
You going after me? I know, okay, all right. I ain't gonna overwork myself, I'm saying.
Okay, y'all, for my last workout, which is the Stairmaster, I have to put my headphones on. Aren't you glad we came? Yeah, your girl is about to go to the lake. So So I didn't Okay, y'all, what's up? It's your girl Coco, and I'm back. And we are at Roswell. We just walked, hold on. We just walked 30 flights of stairs to get up here to this big, beautiful waterfall. I think last time I talked to y'all I was in the gym, and this is just a part of my weekly vlog. Just making it, enjoying nature. We got some fruit and stuff to eat while we sit out here, take some pictures, enjoy nature, you know?
Man, fuck this shit. Mind your plan.
Somebody is a little upset because of the walk we just had to do, and that's okay. That's okay. Because we get cardio in every day.
That shit made my butt burn like fuck. I really need to work on myself. Cause that shit make me feel like that.
Then, listen y'all, we almost made it to, we almost here.
I swear to God, if we going the wrong way, we going fucking to the kill. Straight up, no. As soon as I catch my breath.
You know, sometimes you be with people that be a little impatient, y'all, but it's okay. We work with those type. We just get through it with them, and we show them what the fuck is up.
Man, we going to kill. We gotta go the wrong way.
This is the correct way. I know this because,
Oh.
but I'm gonna get with y'all when we make it to the right way, because I know what the fuck I'm talking about.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Down.
Bitch. Alright guys, we made it. It took a whole freaking lot to get down here. But this is the waterfall. Everybody is out here having a ball, enjoying nature. Thank God for allowing us to feel free out here. I feel so free out here. Look at all this freaking water. I just feel so freaking refreshed. Like, I am actually about to take off my bathing suit. I'm getting in the water. What about you? You are? You are? Okay. Well, yes, guys. We are getting in the water, enjoying what God has created. I actually need to tighten up my bathing suit. But,
See you. Overly extra. Bye-bye. Miley. Perkins. X. Bye-bye. Pull up at the club. VIP. Gas tank on. Even on drinks on me.
okay, y'all.
We going teleport.
I'm literally freezing. I'm literally freezing in Publix right now. We just left the waterfall. And we are about to get some wine. Chicken dip. Well, we got buffalo dip and spinach dip.
Chicken wings with that.
Oh, you gonna cook us some?
Yeah.
Hey.
Not happy to cook.
No, I'm gonna help you. I ain't gonna never really learn how to cook for it because don't nobody want me in the kitchen.
Okay, well, we put it like that, okay. I ain't never said all that.
Bro, let's get teleport.
What is that?
Right down. Down here at the bottom. Hey, go. Baby, what your name is? Baby, what your hey. Okay, my turn.
Okay, do that.
Wait. She's still turning. You're right, Samantha. Baby, what's your name? God, that's too fast. Okay. You look like a no, hey. She's still going fast, y'all. You have to think it through. Baby,
You what your name is, baby, what your name? Hey, tick-tock.
Creamy Shirley, right? Marcella sounds so familiar though, Coco, real shit, dog. That sounds like that's the one we should get. Okay, which one was the most gone? That's what we gonna do. No, I want a 15 piece. Out of 15 of those wings, can you make 10 honey lemon pepper and 5 buffalo? Can you do that for me?
Let me see.
It's dumb.
Hot lemon pepper.
I'm sorry?
You want lemon pepper or hot lemon pepper?
Honey. Lemon pepper.
Honey lemon.
Yes.
Okay, and the other 5, you want buffalo? We have extra hot, medium, mild.
Wow. Mild.
Okay. And you want the combo with this one?
Just the wings.
Just the wings, okay.
Okay, can you read me back what I have?
Okay, so the first one is a 10 honey and lemon wings with the fries and drinks. And the second one is the 15 wings, 10 honey lemon, and 5 mild. Is it correct?
No. I need 10 honey lemon pepper and 5 mild.
Yeah, 10 honey lemon pepper and mild. And that's not a combo, right? It's just the wings. The
Right.
first order is the 10-piece honey lemon with the fries.
Yes. And the second
Okay?
is 10 lemon pepper, honey lemon pepper, and 5 buffalo.
Yeah.
Okay. What's my
Okay,
total?
your total is 32.10. May I have your name, please?
How much is it?
32 and 10.
22 and 10.
$32.10.
Okay.
May I have your name, please?
Kim.
Okay. You will be ready in 10 minutes. Thank you.
Okay.
I told you I was gonna say 10 minutes.
How is it $22?
My shit was $16. That's all I know.
Wait, but how is it
Yours
$22?
was 14. Wait.
No, listen. This said 22. You just got a 15 piece. Before you got the 15 piece and we got a 10 piece, she said 25.
She said that the 15 piece was 16, and then she said yours was what? 14.
14.
We always getting fucking jailed, bro. Oh, that's just right.
She just said 22.
She said it's $22.
Yes.
I don't
She's
give a
stupid.
fuck.
Get
I'll get that.
$22. Y'all know a girl like me can never be on time for nothing. But I'm not gonna say never. We're working on it. I'm going to yoga. So I just bought this new yoga mat from 5 and Below. Of course my boo is dropping me off. But it started at 6, y'all. So it's 5:52. That's why anyways, I'm very overstimulated. I'm very overstimulated when it's time for me to be doing something under pressure. So I'm almost there. I have a NASCAR driver right now. So yeah. I'm ready for this. But okay. Get back with y'all when I'm gonna get back with y'all when I make it there.